Welcome back to our
new video.
Our YouTube channel.
So my name is Mario.
I'm Marisol.
And today we're gonna try the haunted ghost pepper.
Oh, Paqui. We haven't tried this, but we have seen reviews. A lot of people haven't done it.
It was a new one.
It's a new bag.
So we're gonna try it. And we got milk.
And water. There's no one trying to die today.
So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get like 50 likes in this video.
Or more.
So we're gonna try it, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I'm kind of scared.
Okay, ready? Look, smell it.
This one disgusting. It smells gross.
So we got the big bag.
He wanted to get 2 bags, but I was like, no.
So, because I can type.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, you go first.
Right,
I'm not about to touch.
Okay, so we're gonna try one.
I'm
Ready?
nervous, guys.
Smell it.
Is it spicy?
Okay, oh yeah.
I'm
Ready?
scared to try
Ready?
this.
Ready? Ready?
I'm scared to try this.
Ready?
I don't like spicy stuff like this. I can eat hot Cheetos, but not this.
Ready? Set, go. I can feel it in my mouth. Is it spicy or no?
Mm-mm.
Not really, huh?
Not even so.
Mm-mm.
Do you like spicy food?
Mm-hmm. In the next video, we're gonna try to do.
Order the same thing as the person in front of us does.
So stay tuned for the video.
And comment down below what some food we should do.
Again, it's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You're sweating?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's spicy.
Oh my god, you're actually sweating.
So comment down below. What do you guys wanted to see? What comment
He can't
down.
even talk.
We should order the other ones.
Which one?
The chip thing, chips.
The red one?
Mm-hmm. Hey, we get 50 likes. You're gonna try. We're gonna buy the. Which one is it?
The red one that you see that it's really hot.
So we're gonna do it. If we get 50 likes, we're gonna do it next. And thank you for subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to check us out our latest videos. I just can't no more. I need some water. So damn spicy.
Do you feel like your butt's gonna burn?
No, but my mouth's burning. So go. That's this one.
Oh my god. We should prank your mom. We should eat for these. I wonder if she's gonna eat them.
If you want to see us prank someone, comment down below.
Who should we prank?
Yeah.
His sisters, his parents,
Her cousins.
anyone. And we'll do it. Be right back.
Don't try this at home. It's so spicy, but so they're so good, huh?
They're good, but they're spicy. I'm surprised we're handling these. I need some ideas, guys, to prank him. He pranked me on the last video.
So you haven't watched the other video that I pranked her, it's gonna be down below.
And it was disgusting.
We got the big bag, like you guys see.
I think I'm done.
So hot.
I'm not trying. Is that spicy for you?
Hell yeah, it's a spicy, babe.
Oh my god.
You want milk?
I don't like it.
Oh my god. Like this.
We didn't finish all of it, so we got to half of the bag, kind of till the end.
Yeah.
As you guys can see, it's right here.
So,
But these things are spicy.
yeah. I'll try this at home.
Oh my god, my mouth is burning.
If you want us to see us, if you guys want it, if you want, I can talk. If you guys want us to do more challenges, comment down below. We might get the ghost pepper. So we're gonna close.
He can't talk.
My mouth is burning my tongue.
You're sweating. Ew. You're actually sweating. Ew. You're actually sweating.
We're gonna close today's video. So we gave 50 likes. In the video, we're gonna do more spicy challenges.
Comment down below what you guys want us to do.
Next.
He's not really into spicy stuff. I am, but not as much. And guys, we actually found this at the store in Rite Aid.
You guys wanna try it? Go for it.
But tag us and let us know how it went.
So, thank you for watching. And show us some love, because we did it for you guys.
Always make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And
see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Oh, my head hurts.